We're very pleased to be joined by Sybil Taylor, the Chief Marketing Officer of MediPharm Labs, located in Barrie, Ontario.
That's right. We're actually Barrie's first headquarters of a publicly traded company, and we've just crossed over 100 employees between all our researchers and scientists and technicians and professionals. So, you know, we've become a pretty significant employer in the community.
Creating jobs for the local community, that's marvelous. What sets MediPharm apart from your competitors?
Sure, so I think the first point really is that we are an extraction-only company, where most companies in Canada and the cannabis industry are vertically integrated, you know, from cultivation seed to sale and opening clinics and attracting patients and developing brands. MediPharm is really focused on a very narrow part of the supply chain, the value chain, and that's on extraction, purification, distillation, and chromatography. So taking the good stuff out of the plant so that it can be made into other things.
Made into other things. Now, you've recently had some very exciting news to share with us as well. Could you guide us down that little path?
Sure. So just a couple of weeks ago, we finally came out with our first quarterly earnings. It was very exciting to be able to share that. Okay. We received our sales license in November 12th, so only about 6 weeks to actually generate revenue within the last quarter of 2018. But we surprised people, I think, with our results jumping into the top 7, I think number 7 revenue generating cannabis company in Canada. So we're very proud of that, 10.2 million in earnings. And a good quarter by profits when you look at adjusted EBITDA. So, you know, we're obviously executing on our plan quite professionally, and we're very proud of the results.
What does the future hold? I mean, as we said, this is a rapidly evolving and changing industry. What's the future hold for MediPharm? Well,
there's a big change coming in the fall of this year, October. We're expecting Health Canada to change their regulations for allowable products. So you'll see for the first time in Canada, edibles, topicals, beverages, concentrates, and you know, that's a huge catalyst for MediPharm because we make all of the active ingredients that are needed for those kinds of products. So we're preparing for that. We've just put together a really robust science advisory committee with experts globally that are sort of advising us. We've hired an amazing team up at MediPharm Labs, people from the biopharmaceutical industry, so we're prepared to manufacture at scale, but also you know, to pharma-like standards. So what we're looking to do is introduce our own vape production line. We've already completed R&D on that. We've done formulations and fill for vape cartridges. We've received delivery of our soft gel capsule fill line. We've already been bottling tincture, you know, bottled cannabis oil. So what we've done is put together a white label platform for others. We won't be coming out with our own brands, but we'll be enabling other companies, be it LPs or CPG companies that want to get into cannabis, and we offer a complete service from product formulation, processing, packaging, and distribution.
Talk about exciting. This could you imagine this 6 months ago, where you're sitting here today during this interview?
Well, absolutely. I came on to MediPharm initially as an investor, and then started working there about a year ago now, and I was just really taken by the vision of our CEO, Pat McCutcheon. He's quite a visionary. He comes from the pharma industry, but has been a big believer in the potential of cannabis, both for medical and adult use as well. But he's the one that had the vision to be this very narrow, specialized expert within the cannabis industry, and to bring a pharmaceutical perspective to the cannabis industry. And you know, I just believe in him so much and in what we're doing there, and I'm very proud of our results.
And you should be as well. So that's some exciting news. Thank you for sharing with us today.
Hey, my pleasure.
Thank you, Sybil.
Thanks.